If you're struggling to stay focused, time tracking apps can be a game changer. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to stay focused using time tracking apps and boost your productivity today. Stick around, because I'll share a method that's helped me, and at the end, you'll get an exclusive free trial of the software we're using. The first step to staying focused is understanding where your time is going. By using a time tracking app, you can get a clear picture of how much time you're spending on tasks throughout your day. This insight is the key to making adjustments and cutting out distractions. It's surprising how much time we waste, and by tracking it, you can gain full control over your schedule. Now, let's talk about the software we'll be using today. It helps you break your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, and you can start and stop timers whenever you need to. This method of time blocking is incredibly effective for staying on task. You can focus on one thing at a time, without worrying about how long it's taking. The app does all the tracking for you. Another great feature is the ability to set reminders and deadlines within the app. This pushes you to stay on track and not let your focus slip. If you're the type of person who tends to get distracted, you'll appreciate this feature, as it will keep you engaged and give you a sense of urgency. When you start seeing how much time you're spending on certain tasks, it becomes easier to spot areas where you're wasting time or getting off track. One of the most effective ways to stay focused using a time tracking app is by using the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves working for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. Using the time tracking app, you can easily set a timer for your work sessions and breaks. You'll be amazed at how much you can get done when you use this technique consistently. The software also allows you to view detailed reports of how your time is spent. You can break it down by project, task, or even by day and week. This feature helps you identify patterns, like when you're most productive or what times of day you tend to get distracted the most. This data allows you to make smarter decisions about when and how you work. I've tested many time tracking apps, and this software is my top pick for staying focused. It's simple, intuitive, and has the features that make it easy to track time and stay on task. And if you want to follow along, you can get an exclusive free trial in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of this channel. Key takeaway. The key to staying focused using time tracking apps is understanding where your time is going, using features like time blocking, reminders, and reports, and leveraging techniques like the Pomodoro technique. These steps help you stay on track, reduce distractions, and ultimately become more productive. To recap, track your time, break tasks into smaller chunks, use time blocking and reminders, and analyze your reports to improve your workflow. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we're using. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you boost your focus and productivity today.